decide on how we should move forward first.
Chief Minister Conrad Sangma has said that the formal peace talks with the proscribed Hnlc National Liberation Council (Hnlc) will start by the first week of June. Speaking to reporters after the cabinet meeting, Sangma said that the cabinet was informed that the Deputy Chief Minister in charge Home, Police, Preston Tinsong, had an informal meeting with the Hnlc Political Secretary, Vice Chairman and Executive members on Tuesday in the presence of the interlocutor PS Dakar. The Chief Minister said all the discussions with the Hnlc are taking place with the interlocutor.
Well, that's the talks will start. Let the interlocutor discuss, and let the government be there. I think it will not be proper for me to come in and say that. As I said, it's not from my point. There's a process, there's a procedure. The interlocutor is meant to sit down and talk with them. So all those points will, whatever the concerns are, as I said, we have discussed a lot of them. But let the formal talks first start.